The quaintly named Charming Betsy Doctrine is a classic tenet of statutory construction that governs how federal courts interpret U.S. laws to avoid conflict with international laws. It comes from the Caribbean adventure detailed in Murray v. Schooner Charming Betsy. In 1800, an undeclared war between France and the United States was raging in the Caribbean. Congress had passed an act, the non-intercourse law, forbidding Americans to trade with France and its colonies. That year, a schooner called the Jane sailed from Baltimore to Saint Bartholomew's. The captain sold the cargo and then proceeded to the Danish colony of St. Thomas. Denmark was neutral in the conflict between France and the United States. In St. Thomas, the captain sold the schooner to Jared Shattuck. Shattuck had been born in the United States before the Revolution, but had spent almost all his life on St. Thomas. He owned a business there, had a Danish wife, and had taken the Danish oath of allegiance. Shattuck renamed his new ship the Charming Betsy and registered her as a Danish vessel. He sent the Betsy to Guadeloupe, a French colony, with a load of American produce. The Betsy was captured by a French privateer. She was then recaptured by an American ship, the frigate Constellation, under the command of Captain Alexander Murray. Murray declared that Shattuck was an American citizen who'd violated the non-intercourse law by trading with France, and the seizure of the Betsy by France was just a cover for illegal commerce. Murray sold all the cargo in Martinique and brought the Charming Betsy to Philadelphia, where she was libeled under the non-intercourse law. The Danish consul claimed the vessel and cargo as the bona fide property of a Danish subject. The district judge in Philadelphia declared the seizure of the Betsy illegal. He ordered the vessel to be restored to Shattuck with damages. The Circuit Court affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.